Our specialist teams are here to provide safe, high-quality care for children and young people. Due to COVID responses, we currently brought together both the teams south of Ne Hywel Dda at Glangwili Hospital in Kumar to provide that hospital care for children with illnesses. A child or a young person will be seen in our day unit called Paediatric Ambulatory Care Unit, or what we call PACU in Glangwili Hospital, where they will be assessed. Treatment and investigations will be done if required. Many of the children don't have to stay overnight, but if they do, inpatient care is also available here. We monitor children very closely with the right equipment and specialists in case if they get worse. Very sick children are cared for on high dependency care unit or HDUs. We know it's very difficult to travel with sick children, but we have to make sure you come to the hospital where we have the right equipment and specialists to help you. Check our website to see if you can get support for travel. But in case of emergencies, the ambulance crew will bring the child straight to here.